Hi, my name is Kate Hessler.
I'm David West.
I'm Britton Cope.
And this is our submission for mechatronics task completion number 2.
So we have our board here. We have our output going into our relay, and our relay is connected to this blue LED, which is connected to a power source on board, 3.3 volts from the microcontroller, and that is acting as our motors. If that blue LED comes on, we know our motors would be on. We have 3 LEDs here on the board. Red indicates killed, green indicates autonomous mode, and the yellow indicates the remote mode, as well as we have our LCD displaying the mode and if the relay is off, which would be open. We have a normally open relay, and then on would be closed, sending power to the blue LED.
All right, here's our code and our dashboard for Blink that we use to control our system. This is the setup and the libraries, the pins, the Wi-Fi, the modes. This is all the initial setup stuff, defining stuff as outputs, and the starting, initializing the Blink program. Here's our loop, the main meat of our code, and this is distinguishing how you set the system to killed mode, remote mode, and autonomous mode. This is the V0, which is associated with one of the data streams. This is the V1, and there's a V2 lower down, and also a V3 for the virtual LCD. Yeah, and here's all the setup stuff for what happens whenever you type killed, or in this case, click the mode selector. This is updating the LCD so that we can read what's going on in our system. We have it printed in a virtual LCD here and in the physical LCD on the circuit. And yeah, that is the main portion of it. Whenever I have it on killed, the red LED is lit up. Whenever I set it to remote, the yellow lights up. And if I set it to auto, the relay turns on, closing the system, and the green light turns on. Whenever I go to remote, it's the yellow, and I can, from remote mode, toggle on and off the relay. Thank you.